Dunumala Waterfall. Dunumala Waterfall is situated in Uduaka town of Abisawela in the Gampaha district. Distance from Colombo 55.4 kilometers 1 hour 51 minutes. Dunumala Waterfall is situated in Uduaka town of Abisawela in the Gampaha district. Hence it is also known as Uduaka Ella and Alawela Devon Pana Ella. It stands at a height of 45 meters. The area surrounding the falls bears historical and legendary importance. There are 3 large caves near the Dunumala waterfall, of one which stretches for a distance of about 0.5 kilometers. The local villagers believe that the nearby town of Ratnapura can be reached through it. Sri Lanka's King Vijayabahu III is said to have made a home of 2 of these caves. According to folklore, the ashes of Sri Lanka's ancient king Parakamabbahu II were said to be enshrined in the Dambadeni Saya Stupa, which is located in the Adanagala Raja Maha Viharaya nearby. Continuing with folklore and ancient royal stories, it is said that 3 ancient queens have used 5 holes that are found in a rock close to the Dunumala waterfall to play the indigenous game known as Pancha. Local villagers say that the streams which serve the Dunumala waterfall have never dried up even in the worst of droughts. A deep pool known as Alapalawala, which is located close to the Dunumala waterfall, was used hundreds of years ago to bathe elephants. On a lighter note, bearing all its historical importance, the popular Sinhala film, Siri Parakam, had been shot at the location near Dunumala waterfall. Getting to Dunumala waterfall. From Colombo, take the Colombo, Kandy Road and go past Karibathgoda, Mudangoda, Gampaha, Kalajdaihana, Nidambua, Pasiela, Algama up until you reach Uduaka. Go down the Algama, Uduaka road to find the Dunumala waterfall.